po, wala po bang plano ang ating Pangulo na pakiusapan po sila? Kayo po, wala po ba kayong plano bilang Pangulo ng ating bansa para pakiusapan mo sila na huwag nang ituloy yung impeachment dahil baka makaabala nga naman po sa trabaho ng ating gobyerno at syempre sa buhay at pamumuhay ng ating mga kababayan?
The Senate has no choice. The House has no choice. They have to do this now. Once the impeachment complaint was filed, tumakbo na ang proseso. At kung hindi nila ipatakbo yung proseso, then they are delinquent in their duties. That's why they just have. That's what I meant. The House has no choice. They have to proceed with the impeachment complaint. The Senate now has no choice. They have to try the impeachment complaint.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, may nagsampa na po ng kaso ng impeachment complaint versus Vice President Leni Robredo, and others said they will follow. What are your thoughts about this po? And do you think sapat po yung basehan para ma-impeach si VP?
Ma'am, hindi ko nakuha. I only got it about a third of what you're saying.
Sir, may nagsampa na po ng impeachment complaint against Vice President Leni Robredo.
I won't allow. I won't.
Do you think, sir, may basehan po para ma-impeach nga po siya? What are your thoughts po?
Look, you know, we just had an election. Guys, lay off. Let's stop it. Can do other things, but do not tinker with the structure of government. I will not countenance it. Elected yung tao. So, why do you have to sit just because he keeps on harping on me? Yeah, this is democracy. It's freedom of speech. Wala naman, there is no or there are no overt acts. Kakatapos lang ng eleksyon, bakit mo sirayan bayan? Okay, ako, malay mo ako, baka hindi na ako magising bukas sa bangungot, okay na. Siya naman, pero yung, you create trouble there po. Ayaw yung military kasi ayaw nila hindi naman tamad, pero bakit mo dagdagan yung problema nila? Pati police. Who will keep order in this country, kundi sila. Ngayon magsabi lang, hindi lang natin magsabi lang, gusto talaga ng basagan ng ulo. Maganda na nga ang buhay kakatapos lang ng eleksyon. This is a democracy. Leaders are elected. If there are to be, it's still the people's choice. Remember that.
Sir, sorry, follow up. So wala kayong nakikitang mali dun sa ginawa niya, sir, na nagbigay siya ng video dun sa UN Commission on Narcotics and said na may palit ulo?
Ma'am, I cannot out of the country for 4 days. I have not been abreast with the. Alam mo, hindi ako nakabasa ng newspaper, yung mga column, hindi ko nakabasa. Yun lang, yung news talaga. But wala akong nahawak ng newspaper.